Propeller terminology. Angle of advance, helix angle, is the angle between the relative airflow and the rotational velocity and relates to the true airspeed. Blade angle is the angle between the plane of rotation and the blade chord. Angle of attack is the angle between the relative airflow and the chord. So you can make a formula: blade angle is equal to angle of attack plus angle of advance. Here's another image of propeller terminology where you could be asked what several of the angles are. So in this diagram, B is angle of attack, which is the angle between chord line and relative airflow. C is chord line to plane of rotation, blade angle. And D is relative airflow to the plane of rotation, angle of advance. The propeller blade. Each blade is an aerofoil. Thrust will be produced most efficiently at a particular angle of attack. Angle of attack for a propeller is defined as the angle between the chord line at a particular point, blade station, and the relative airflow. Blade angle equals angle of attack plus angle of advance. For a fixed pitch propeller, blade angle is fixed. So with no forward velocity, the angle of advance will be 0. So blade angle will be angle of attack. As forward velocity increases, the angle of advance increases, and for a fixed blade angle, the angle of attack must therefore decrease. The optimum angle of attack is 3 to 4 degrees. Geometric pitch. Geometric pitch is the distance that the propeller is expected to move forward in one revolution. Fixed pitch propellers are typically classified by their diameter, pitch and blade angle at 3/4 radius. Air is not solid and the propeller is subject to slip. Slip results in effective pitch. Geometric pitch is made up of effective pitch plus slip. Propeller forces. Centrifugal. There's a radial stress parallel to the blade axis, and also a force at 90 degrees to the blade axis, which twists the blade to a finer pitch. Thrust. Thrust bends the propeller forwards in the direction of flight. Torque. Torque bends the blades opposite to the direction of rotation. Air loads oppose the centrifugal twisting moment and coarsen blade pitch. Propeller blade angle of attack. The angle of attack will vary with operating conditions and with camber of the blade section. The rotational speed of the propeller blade section increases with distance from the root. Blade angle is the angle between the plane of rotation and the chord line of the propeller. To achieve a relatively constant angle of attack along the blade length, blade angle is decreased from blade root to tip. Increasing absorption of power. Absorption of power may be increased by increasing the following: blade angle, diameter, camber, chord, number of blades, or solidity. Solidity of the propeller is the ratio of propeller disc area covered by blades to total disc area.